Welcome to the program on lean supply chain. Most of you are aware about the TPS Toyota production system, which is very popular in automobile industry, where the lean and just-in-time practices were being practiced for last 3-4 decades. Even in my previous organization, we have implemented this lean and JIT across the organization. So we try to identify the waste and eliminate the waste. In logistics specifically, if you take, there are many activities which can create waste. For example, having excess inventory is a waste. Doing some unnecessary movement can be a waste, or getting material in advance can be a waste. So we used to follow some procedure called milk van. So here we don't ask the vendor to supply in one go, because if allow the vendor to supply the material, they may consolidate and supply once in a week or once in a month. But in the real JIT operation, we want to collect or receive the material in the required quantity, in the required frequency, most probably on a daily basis. So we used to arrange the vehicle in a predetermined frequency, go around to the vendors, collect them and come on a daily basis, or it could be 2 times a day or multiple trips in a day or once in 2 days. Like this, we were managing a fleet of vehicle which go to the vendor and collect the required material and get to the plant at the required time. One more important process we were following is called back flushing, where we do not count the incoming material nor make the GRN. The item we supply to our customer, it directly goes to the line and assembly is taking place. So even in OEM kind of an environment, they avoid the waste action. See, inspection is a waste, counting of components is a waste. When it goes to the line, it directly gets assembled, and finally when the finished product is ready, they are going to do a process called back flushing. By this process, all the material used in the production of such a vehicle is consumed and GRN is automatically generated and payment is also advised. But you have to see, there has to be a strict discipline among all the supply chain partners, because here we are trying to work with minimum inventory and also we have a lower lead time. There may be some conflicting situation, because possibly you may be aware that one side we are working on optimizing the vehicle, but in the lean and JIT we are trying to get material in the required time. So we are making multiple trips, but you have to see what kind of material are we talking, inbound or outbound, what is the distance involved as to be considered. Finally, when we compare inventory carrying cost with the transportation cost, definitely there will be a merit in doing the milk run. So we are going to see various tools available to do this work. So for example, value stream mapping or Kaizen or Smidge or Johari window or Bricks Meyer. All these are various tools which are used to implement. I have a practical experience in implementing all these tools. So I am going to give an overview about leans and how it can be applied in the supply chain management, how we can optimize the performance of the supply chain in terms of optimizing inventory, reducing the lead time and improving the quality. Request you to enroll for the program. Thanks for watching. Bye.